Alright guys, welcome back to the UA Custom Shop. Today we're going to show you how to install the slug probe and the tungsten hammer for Wildcats and Mavericks. We've also done a video for this on our channel for the Impact. We'll link it up here. So first thing you'll need to do this is going to be a Slug Power Kit with the Tungsten Hammerweight. We sell those on our website. You'll need a 3mm, a 2.5mm, and a 1.5mm wrench to get this done. So first you'll want to remove your cheek piece off the top of the gun with your 3mm wrench. Then you'll grab your 2.5 and pull your power wheel off. Make sure when you pull off your power wheel you keep track of the detent ball and spring that's going to come with it. I just put it up like that, and usually the grease will hold it together. You're going to slowly cock your gun back, and that's going to bring out your spring cup and hammer adjuster, your spring, and then your factory hammer weight. If it's a 30 cal, you're going to have the hammer and a weight. You're not going to reuse those. You'll take your tungsten hammer, put it inside your spring, and that goes into the gun. And then for your probe, you want to take out your factory probe by lining up the hole on top with the axis port. Take your 2.5mm and spin out the screw. Slide your probe out. You want to take your factory probe and your pin probe and make sure they're about the same length. You can do this by putting your pin through your factory probe, lining up and adjusting pin probe, and then with your 2mm you can set the length on there. Make sure you have the sleeve installed for the right caliber that you're working on. This is a 30 cal in this case. And then you'll take your 2.5mm, I just put it into the back, into the head of the screw, and then you're able to slide that into the gun. Line up your slot and reinstall the screw. Once that's in, you'll take your spring cup, put that into the back over the top of the spring. And then once that's done, you can put your power wheel back on. Make sure you line up the spring and detent back into the hole they go into. And reinstall your cheek piece with your 3mm. That's it. All right guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, give us a call or comment below.